It follows weight transfer. She's assessing your weight transfer. Getting ready to start dancing. Okay, and you're going to basic 2. All right? Side together, side together. These are markers. All right? Fully together. The feet, it's like a tap, but flat foot. And we go basic 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We think of those as counts. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's how you can remember those. And then we did a quarter turn. 1, 2, 3 into basic 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? And then we did our retrocessor, which is back, turn, quick, quick. 1, 2, 3. Back, turn, quick, quick. 1, 2, 3. Main difference between those is 1, the rotation doesn't stop. And that's what creates the syncopation.